What is up, guys? Hunter here from Exploration Unexplained. And this morning I woke up to a completely awesome surprise, and that was 100 subscribers. So to celebrate, I'm going to make, with plaster of Paris and mud, I'm going to make a Bigfoot themed 100 subscribers YouTube play button. So let's do it. Now comes the tricky part. I have to pour the plaster of Paris into this cup, then mix it with water, and then pour it over this. So what we have here is the play button, or what kind of looks like a play button, I guess. I need to make that a little sharper. There we go. EU Exploration Unexplained 100. So for 100 subscribers, yeah, I need to fix that. For 100 subscribers, I'm going to have a Bigfoot footprint cast play button. How cool is that? Alright, let's do it. Alright, here we go. Just gonna pour all this stuff in there. Ugh. I'm gonna smooth it out a little bit, but ugh, this stuff gets everywhere. But when it dries, this should be my 100 subscribers Bigfoot cast play button. It's not done drying yet. It takes a while. I might have gotten I don't think I got too much moisture in it, but I don't know. Let's see. No, it's getting nice and clumpy. Nice and clumpy. It just takes a little bit. This stuff gets everywhere. There's no way to avoid it, really. It got dry enough to where I could start peeling some dirt off, so I'm going to go wash all this dirt off and then we'll check it out. But so far it looks pretty good. Here it is. I finished. Looks pretty good. EU for Exploration Unexplained, and then 100. And it looks like a play button to me. But thanks for subscribing, and as always, keep exploring.